everybody, and welcome to Tuesday, September 14th. For today, ladies and gentlemen, for Avid, we are continuing with our essential question, what are the expectations of Avid scholars at Mendez? For today, we do have an even spell schedule, 2, 4, 6, 8, which I'm sure you guys remember. We are continuing on with what does it mean to be organized and responsible at Mendez, and part of that is making sure your grades are in order as well as our organization. So this week we will focus on grades and organization. Our do now today is going to be a Google form, which I will show you in just a moment. We will be doing a GPA grade form for the rest of today, and your exit ticket will be in college interest form. So for homework, prepare for binder check. That's coming up on Wednesday, so that's going to be tomorrow, so please make sure you have that ready. Then, complete the Google, for your do now, complete the Google check-in form. You're going to have 10 minutes, as always. You're going to just go ahead and fill this out. It has today's date. Actually, this is an outdated snapshot. It has today, Tuesday, September 14th date. Then, we will be working on the GPA grade form. Based on the GPA grade form given to you in class, we're going to practice some goal setting. So, let me show you guys what that GPA grade goal setting form looks like. So, you guys, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be putting your name on there. So, for example, Ms. Ornella's, the date, which will be the 14th, 9/14/21. Then you're going to be putting the grading period. We're in grading period 1 at the moment. Do you have a GPA? If you have one, go ahead and fill this out. And then we don't have a report card yet, but we're going to be doing this on every grading period, so you guys are going to be able to see that as we go. I want to know, what are your feelings about your grades? So far, I have not received all my grades. So I feel confident that I am doing well. Something along these lines, ladies and gentlemen. I want several sentences. I want 2 to 3 sentences for each line, okay? And then what are your achievements so far this year? I want you to document it. This is going to be a growth process. This is goal setting towards organization and GPA, so we will be coming back to this. And then what are your disappointments? What are some GPA goals for the next 2 months you can work on? What are some academic goals for the next 2 months that you can also work on? And what are some personal goals, okay? So we have different types of goals, ladies and gentlemen. This is specifically to your GPA, but it will also change as your personal goals change. This class is all about goals. It's about being organized. It's that individual determination, ladies and gentlemen. All right. I will make sure this is up for those of you that are working from home. Make sure that you are getting this done. This is going to be due at the end of class today, okay? If for whatever reason you need additional help, please reach out to me. All right. And then for our exit ticket today, we looked at what colleges and universities you would like to learn more about. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school, make an appointment with me, or email me. All right, other than that, I'll see you guys in class.